Adios, sayonara. You'll never see another picture ever again. Hello, friends, and welcome on board. My name's Emily. I'm going to be your skipper, your tour guide, and, well, first time saying it. For your safety, remain seated at all times. Keep your hands, your arms, your feet, your legs inside of the boat. And parents, please supervise your children. Children! Supervise your parents. Yes, very important. We're now passing through the Amazon rainforest. No train rains almost every day. Almost. Are you ready for your first sign of danger? Danger! It's right over there. Now, friends, speaking of first signs, this here is our very first sign of wildlife. Look at that. These creatures walk on their hind legs. They travel in packs. And it's not the adults you have to worry about. They're going to leech onto them for about 18 to 25 years and completely bleed them dry. My mom would know. Now this here, folks, is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Ooh. Just behind that are the Temples of the Forbidden A through H. Yeah. Have a seat, Bobby. Thank you. Now this here is incredible. 500... My goodness, the ducks are going wild. 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger, folks. Now for his incredible 40-foot vertical leap. We're 20 feet away. He'll go right over your heads like all my jokes today. Rest assured. Now up there on that rock, 3 of my ex-boyfriends. Hi, guys. They didn't age well, yeah. Now, folks, that is something you don't see every day. I do. Moving on. Every day. Oh, what do we have here, folks? It's a secret Indian elephant mating pool. Please take all the pictures and videos that you would like. They all have their trunks on, so it won't be weird. However, if you decide to get any pictures or videos of me, don't show my mom! She thinks I'm a lawyer. It didn't happen. She'd be very disappointed in me right now. Now, friends, this here is Bertha. She's been in that shower for a very long time, letting us know the longer you shower, the more you turn into an elephant. That's why I shower. Now, friends, if you listen very, very carefully, you might hear a baby elephant calling for its mother. Let's listen. Listen. Hey, Mom! Wow. So magical. So, friends, we're just approaching our camp up ahead here. I do have to pick up some supplies. And I'm frozen in the jungle! Okay, let's get closer. This is really dangerous. Follow me. Okay, please not get a closer look. Oh my. Okay, water red folks. Look at what they did to my Jeep. They left all the lights on. Talk about a battery. Never gonna have to turn over now. You know, funny story. That little guy holding a gun really reminded me of an outlaw, and that little party they were having really kind of reminded me of my in-laws. And for those of you who don't know the difference between an in-law and an outlaw, always remember, outlaws are wanted. Thank you, I know. How come you don't like your in-laws either? Now this here is Laker Falls, discovered by our very own founder, the Dr. Albert Falls. Don't think about it too much, we're going to go over it later. All together. Now friends, just up ahead here is the Nile River, where it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, then you're in the boat. Call it boat. B-O-T-E. Now this here is 2 of my favorite African bull elephants, folks. They are married, but as you can see, there is a river of problems flowing between them. I would hate to be in the middle of that. Good thing we aren't anymore. Oh, look at that. Wide variety, very realistic animals, folks. Look at that. Some of them are so old, they're still here in black and white. There they are. We got gazelles, we got zebras, we got wildebeest, we got giraffes, and those lions happen to be taking care of that very, very sleepy zebra. He's dead. Tired! Dead tired, folks. Don't worry. We'll let him rest. Oh, hey, Phyllis! Phyllis! What are you doing? Oh my gosh, I think it's the point across from the end. Oh dear! Over there, gosh. They come out of nowhere. Oh, look see here, folks, a very nice pool of angry hippopotami. Now, as you can tell, they will only charge a boat if they can get to wiggle their ears, blow bubbles out of their noses, and charge. Get out your mullet. Okay, I will come here, you go scare them off. Cool, folks, we better never scare them stiff. Now, it's not the ones in the water you have to worry about, it's the ones in the trees. Now, tree hippos are the stealthiest animal, folks. Just when you think you know right where a tree hippo is, they're just put up on you. Now, you know, some people like to say, Emily, your job is just so easy, and that's even a monkey can do it, because you are not. Okay, jokes on them. Those are apes. Difference between a monkey and an ape? Yeah, I would tell you, but it's just a really long tail. That's it. Oh, what do we have here? It looks like a couple of love bugs, folks. Now you can tell these two apes are dating. Just look at all those butterflies they've given one another. Yeah, I gotta say, friends, personally, I could never get into butterflies. They just are not what they used to be. Yeah, caterpillars. Oh my goodness, folks. Okay, this here is the moment that you've all waited for. This here is the incredible. It's the one and only country eighth wonder of the world. Give it up for the incredible backside of water! How do you like that so much, the front side of rock? Look ahead on your left. So the one on your right. Over there. Yeah. Now, friends, we are here in the Amazon River. I hear schools of Hungary piranha often come through here, and they love to bite. I have no idea how they got here from Hungary, but that's really impressive. Yeah. Oh, someone turned on the jacuzzi. Okay, let's get out of here. That's gross. I don't think the school's on their way home from their field trip, folks. I think they're headed back to Hungary. And just up there in that tree, folks, that is a 24-foot long python. Now, I can tell that's a python, but not a boa, because boas have feathers. Very easy. Anyone know what the letter P in python stands for? The letter P? Plastic. Say it with the plastic. That's right. Python. Okay. So we're a little bit backed up here, folks. Gonna hang tight here for a moment. You know, friends, there are a lot of things out there in the jungle today. Yeah, lions, tigers, hippos, rhinos, elephants. Not to brag at you guys, but I heard crickets. There they are again. Make sure you're seated on your bottom for me, bud. All the way on your bottom. Not your feet, your bottom. Thank you, thank you. Folks, what do we have here? Look at this. It's our gift shop. Don't mind the lost and found sign. Yeah. We're reselling your items for a discount. Oh, look at here. This is Ellie. Now, Ellie the elephant, she's a little mischievous, folks. If you think that's water coming out of her trunk, it's not. And the one who's taking pictures is by far our best employee. We don't actually pay him. He enjoys the exposure for it. And the twins at the top have been trying to set a record all day. Don't worry. They're going to break one eventually. Like all the others. Anybody here want to be a skipper? Yes, I know. I can tell. Let me show you the ropes. They're right there. Big pile. I'm in a knot. There you go. You've been trained really well. Fine. Okay, as we slowly make our way around the corner here and approach our dock, remember to remain seated. Keep your hands, your arms, feet, and legs inside of the boat. And up here, please supervise your children. I would hate for their arms to get caught between a dock and a hard place. That's just way too much peer pressure. That could hurt. And the dock. Here. Folks, in the band here, we have the Tropical Hideaway. Yeah, I hear that food is much like my jokes. Dry, bland, never well done. Pretty tasteless, actually. Please make sure you get lined for a Dole Whip. I actually spent hours looking for the punchline. I'm still looking. They're earning at its okayest. Don't worry, yes, you've all been very outstanding. But don't worry, buddy, soon enough, you're going to be outstanding over there. Right over there. Keep your elbows inside for me, friends. Everyone's elbows inside. Alright, folks, now, I love you all like family, and family never really does get to say goodbye, so there's something I've been just dying to tell you, and I mean this. Get out. you enter, do not cross over the center boxes. They're there for your safety and your inconvenience. Dockside exit through the front door for me, friends. Watch your head and step. Use those handrails if you need them. Watch your head, watch your head. Use the handrails. Here's a joke for my wife.
Hold her up, Skip. Coming at you, Skip.